Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to search history will not be saved on your phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail apps. Tap on Gmail. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on Manage your Google account. Scroll down little bit. Next, tap on Data and Privacy. Go down. You can see that app and apps activity. Tap on this. Next, go down. You can see that turn off option. Tap on this. Tap on turn. Scroll down little bit. Tap on deleting activity older than 18 months. Tap on this icon and select more them. Here you will see different option. You can select any one of the option. After selecting the option, the search history will be deleted after that specified time. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.